The sturdy and compact Clarke CBTSR router shaper is ideal for DIY and general-purpose woodworking. This sturdy and compact router table comes with a die-cast alloy table, a 2-part adjustable guide fence, a cross-cutting jig, a height adjustment hand wheel, and 2 additional extension tables for extra support. The CBTSR should be firmly secured to your workbench using the 4 provided holes. The powerful 1500-watt motor has electronic variable speed of 11,500 to 24,500 RPM to keep you in complete control, whatever the size of your router cutter. And an overload cutout is included to protect against overloading. Provided with collets for both a 1/4-inch and a 1/2-inch shanks, the CBTSR can accept most widely available router cutters, with 3 different sized table inserts supplied, which can be fitted to suit the cutter size in use. The cutter height is easily adjusted with fine control using the side-mounted hand wheel, which offers a range of 40 mm rise and fall. The sturdy die-cast alloy work table extends to 1050 by 360 mm with the side extensions fitted, allowing good control of your work. And a highly effective dust shroud and extraction port with a 100 mm adapter is provided for connection to your workshop vacuum system. The supplied hold-down should be fitted when making upward cuts such as rebates and grooves, and a kickback safety fence is also included. The split fence can have the outfeed side independently adjusted to suit the cutting operation in hand, and the fence opening can be narrowed or widened as required. 2 featherboards are also provided to help keep your workpiece in place. Effective guarding is part of the design of this router table, keeping your fingers away from the cutter and assisting with the effective dust collection. The versatile and sturdy Clarke CBTSR router shaper will be sure to raise your woodworking to the next level.